Hello everyone, you are welcome to lecture number 1288 and today's topic is the same prostate cancer, its causes, symptoms and treatment part 2. In part 1, I have already discussed in detail about the word cancer, and again I am going to continue, and even if it is more in terms of time consuming, I will continue as a part 3, part 4, because this issue is very important for 90% masses. How to manage the cancer with lifestyle, with disciplined life, with diet management. Because for 90% population globally, cancer treatment is almost impossible, and the best remedy is the good management so that they can survive. Today, if you remember, in 1980s, when the question of AIDS came, HIV virus, it was such a big news that we were thinking that all our civilization will be washed out, extinction of human race. But today millions of the people are living by taking drug with HIV virus, with AIDS disease. In the same way, today, if we are following our proper diet, understanding the diet, understanding the cancer cell, we can live in the same way. And many people are living like that. I have seen many people with their change in lifestyle. They are living since last more than 20-30 years. And definitely you have to be disciplined. So let me come in again from where I stopped. So first thing what I was telling, that cancer cell is there in your body. How to make our body system in such a way so that it can prohibit or it will not allow cancer cells to multiply. And I have already told you, the cancer cell means your immune system. Either it is failed or is failing. Means your T cells, white blood cells, the military is weak and is not able to kill and destroy once the cancer cells are produced. So we have to follow such type of remedy in lifestyle, how to reduce the production of cancer cells, and once they are produced, how to make them to starve, to become hungry, and so that they are weak and they are dead. So first we have to follow, I have already mentioned in previous lecture, that in acidic medium, cancer cells are multiplying very fast. That acidic medium you convert into alkaline medium, shift 80%, 85% to fruit and vegetable, especially the colored one. Later on I will tell you the chemistry. The second thing is, cancer cells cannot survive in oxygenated atmosphere, that is means in oxygen rich atmosphere. Once more oxygen you are inhaling, cancer cells becomes very weak. So that's why exercise is very important. And now, according to some latest research publications, it is found, statistical data, that mostly the lung cancer, throat cancer, what they are getting, those who are staying in very crowded locality, polluted locality, and where there are a lot of pesticide, insecticide, and heavy metal work is going on, and they are inhaling such type of thing, and there is deficiency of enough oxygen in that area. So oxygenation, you have to be oxygenated. Once you are oxygen rich, enough oxygen is reaching, it will suppress. The second condition. Third is mental. Third is cancer is the disease of mind and body. Why I am saying cancer is the disease of mind? Your mind is controlling the release, excess release, rest release of all hormones. Once you are mentally disturbed, mental tension, greed, revenge is making mentally sick. You are mentally sick, and that mental tension will make your body system acidic. Note down this. So if always you are mentally irritated, big politician, big company, rivalry, how to kill, how to finish the opponent or enemy, definitely you are on the road of getting cancer. So it is the disease of mind and brain. And why secondly mind? Once you get cancer, you have to become fighter. Those who are good fighter and ready to fight cancer cells, they are surviving. Those who have surrendered mentally, they pass away from this planet. Only fighters are living. So become a good fighter. Change your strategy, change your willpower, change your food, change your all the bad habits. You will be surviving. Because definitely cancer cells are not something supernatural. And secondly, why we should commit suicide? By mentally we are demoralized, our willpower is drastically reduced, and we are on deathbed after hearing the word that you have got lung cancer, liver cancer, stomach cancer, cervical cancer, means you are on deathbed. No. Get up and fight it. And once you fight it, you will win. So that is very, very important to become the fighter. And fighter means the food plays very important role, which can make these cancer cells to starve and die rather than multiply. Add in your diet two type of foods. I call them, as a chemist I am talking, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant food. That's all. Is enough. Only two foods if you are including in your diet, daily diet. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant foods. Of course, everybody is not medicinal chemist. They are not organic chemist. Even they are not chemists. Even they are not scientists. So they may ask the question. It is for common man. Sir, what are these foods? I am hearing first time what is, even they don't understand what is the meaning of anti-inflammatory. I have delivered my 4 or 5 lectures on chronic inflammation, and I have mentioned chronic inflammation is the mother of all diseases, including cancer. So first you have to control your body, acute inflammation, then chronic inflammation, then oxidative stress. You will be okay. So your food, which are rich in flavononucleus, that is very important, is flavononucleus. Flavone is your compound like this. This is flavononucleus. It is antioxidant. It is anti-inflammatory. They are known as phenolics. So such food which are rich source of quercetin, like apple. Apple is the very rich source of flavonol. Watermelon, melon, lot of colored vegetable and fruit like your orange, like your tomatoes. So all these fruit and vegetables which are deep in color, either red, yellow, orange, blue, purple, these colors, they are very rich source of anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. Please include in your diet. So the third factor is they survive, they are very healthy on mucus, on milk, on sugar. Please cut down sugar and milk. Actually, sugar, I call it white poison. Sugar is acidic food. Milk is animal product. So it has some mucus formation, and milk itself is a very good food for cancer cells to multiply. Sugar is very good food for cancer cells to multiply. You discuss with your oncologist and stop all this. So this is what about background. Now let us shift to prostate cancer. Prostate is walnut, akhrot in Indian language, size of one gland, and this gland is responsible producing fluid, some liquid type of medium, and in that medium the sperm, male sperm used to swim or floating and reaching to the target for fertilization of the female egg. So that is the role of prostate gland. But sometimes because of prostatitis, I have already delivered one lecture that is prostatitis means when prostate inflammation, chronic inflammation is there. Because of that inflammation, your prostate cells and prostate muscles, they are all damaged or they are under tremendous pressure because of inflammation, and that inflammation may cause the malignant condition. Malignant means where it becomes cancerous, means cancer cell means they are not disciplined. There is no check and balance. They will multiply without any check and balance. So what are the reasons that is causes? The first cause of prostate cancer is genetic factor, DNA mutation. Genetic mutation. The word mutation I have already explained means in your that is called hereditary material, genetic material, that is called DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. When there is some change in that DNA sequencing, gene sequencing, then the new type of gene is formed, and that may be bad and may be good. For our human evolution, it is because of genetic mutation. Once it is good, but once such type of abnormality is there, then you may get cancer cells. So the getting cancer cell is also one of the genetic mutation. Second is environment, I have already told you. Third one is your lifestyle, food, diet. And then symptoms for this prostate cancer, the first and only symptom is that is urinary symptom. You will get pain in pelvic area. While you are going to pass on the urine, you will get pain. Where you are going to stop the urination, flow of the urine, you will get pain. And always you will be feeling tired. Sometimes you will get fever. So all these factors I am going to discuss one by one, but before that I will show you the image of prostate cancer. So this becomes cancer cell tumor form, you can see here, and where your T cells are ready to attack, to destroy, to damage, and to kill the cancer cells. But if in case they fail, then it will go on multiplying and will be having full blown prostate cancer. Here you can see the fight between your immune cells, that is T cells, and the cancer cells. And your T cells, that is immune cell WBC, white blood cells, they are trying to capture and destroy, but they are failing. It shows, that's why I have already mentioned that if you are getting cancer in any part of the body, including prostate, means your immune system is either totally failed or it is failing to destroy and kill the cancer cells. So you have seen the images of cancer cells and also the T cells, that is immune cells, and how they are fighting with each other. And in that fight, who is winner? If cancer cell is winner, you will get cancer. If cancer cells are loser, you will be free of cancer. So again, in third lecture, I am going to continue because this is very important chapter. So in third lecture, I will try to conclude the different type of new therapies in 2024, especially the targeted one and the immune therapy. They are trying to treat the cancer patients and who are globally more than 20 million, 18 million people are suffering from chronic cancer. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture. I'm coming, right?